Hey guys, welcome back to Vivid Vardhan. I'm so glad to have you here. This video is a part of Home Refresh series wherein I'll be cleaning, decluttering and organizing various parts of my parents' home. In today's video, I'll be doing heavy detailed cleaning of automatic washing machine and the space in which it is kept. To begin with, I'll be giving it a good wipe down with cloth dipped in hot water mixed with detergent so that all the loose dust particles and dirt from the surface are stripped off. While I'm doing that, do let me know in the comment section below how often do you deep clean your washing machine? Do you deep clean it monthly, quarterly or half yearly? Leave a comment like 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. I would really like to know that. For cleaning the surface of my appliances, I often like to use Safe Surface Cleaner. So, how I use it is I just dip a rag of cloth in Safe Surface Cleaner and give the surface a light scrub and leave it for an hour or so. This light scrub, along with wetting time, is enough to get rid of all the majority of dirt and grime. Cleaning the surfaces of your appliances with Safe Cleaner at least once in a month will keep them sparkling clean. Do give it a try and let me know how you liked it. While Safe Cleaner is doing its work, I'll start cleaning other parts of the washing machine. After pulling out the detergent drawer, I will completely dismantle it and start its cleaning with quick wipe down, which will be continued with a good scrub using Safe Cleaner and a toothbrush. Then I will leave it aside for some time. When I pulled the washing machine forward, I wasn't surprised to find out a hot mess that was hidden around and underneath it. After all, it's been good 6 months since the space has been completely deep cleaned. I quickly picked up the bigger objects lying on the floor and started scrubbing the tiles using detergent. Then I wiped down the tiled wall along with the floor. I thoroughly cleaned the outlet hose and also the back portion of the washing machine. Meanwhile, all this work got done, it was time to give the washing machine its final wipe down, first with a clean wet cloth and then with a dry cloth. And here, the washing machine is sparkling clean. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.